Welcome students. Today we will start with the practice set 5.2. In this we will see a new formula, that is a plus b the whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, based upon this formula we will solve the next practice set, that is practice set 5.2. Now first we will write the formula. That is a plus b the whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Means here the expansion of formula says here we will cube the first term plus 3 into square of the first term into second term plus 3 into first term into square of the second term plus cube of the second term, right? Now we will start our practice set. See the first sum. Here you have to expand. That means here the first one is k plus 4 the whole cube. Okay, now we will compare this a plus 4 with k plus 4 with a plus b. Now here a is equals to k and b is equals to 4. Okay, so we can write here it as, that is a cube means k cube plus 3 into a square means k square into 4 plus 3 into a is what? That is here k into b square means 4 square plus b cube means 4 cube. Now we will see the next step, that is here we will multiply, that is 4 3s are 12, then it will come 12k square plus this 3 into k is 3k and 4 square is 16 plus 4 cube. Now what is the 4 cube? That is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Okay, now again we will solve it. That is 12 square and 16 3s are 48k plus 64. Okay, now this is the solution for k plus 4 the whole cube. Okay, now see the second one. Yeah, the second one is 7x plus 8y plus 7x plus 8y the whole cube. So let's start. The second one is 7x plus 8y the whole cube. Now first term square means 7x cube, first term cube plus 3 into square of the first term means 7x square, okay, into the second term, that is 8y plus 3 into first term, 3 into first term, that is 7x into second term square, the square of the second term, that is 8y square. We will put in the bracket. Okay, means square means it is a square of 7 and x both. Okay, now next, that is plus and cube of the third term, that is 8y the whole cube. Now solve it, that is 7 cube. 7 cube is 343. You have to find the cube of 7. Okay, 7 cube is 343 and x ka cube is x cube plus 3 into the 7 square. The square of 7 is 49x square, and the square of x is x square into 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8y the whole square, means 8 square is 64y square plus, and 8 का cube is 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512, and y cube is y cube. Clear? Now we will solve it, that is 343 x cube plus 49 into 3 into 8. Okay, we have to multiply 49 into 3 into 8. After multiplication we will get here 1176 x square y, x square y, and here after multiplication, that is 3 7s are 21 into 64. Okay, then here we will get, that is 1344 x y square, and the fourth term, that is 512 y cube. Then this is your answer. I hope this both sums are understood. Now the third and fourth are your homework. Now we will move to the fifth one, that is here you have to find the cube of 101. In last year, means in the 7th standard, previous standard, you have seen finding the square of numbers by applying the formula, right? That is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. By applying that formula you have to find the value. Now in the similar way, here you have to apply the formula for a plus b the whole cube to find the value of 101 cube. So first we will split it. 101 can be written as 100 plus 1 whole cube. Okay, now apply the formula, that is a cube is 100 cube plus 3 into a square b, means 100 square into 1 plus 3 into a, that is 100 into b square, that is 1 square, and after that b cube means 1 cube. Clear? Now 100 ka cube means here you have to find the 100 ka cube, means after 1 you will write here 60. This is the 100 cube, and 3 into 100 square is 10,000. Okay, and 3 into 100 is 300, and 1 square is 1. Okay, and 300 multiplied by 1 is 300, and 1 cube is also 1. Now this is 1 crore, this is 10 lakh. Okay, now we will write here 10 lakh plus 10,000 multiplied by 3, that is 30,000 plus 301. Okay, now add it, then what we will get, that is 10 lakh 30,301. Okay, this is your answer, means the 101 cube is 10 lakh 30,301. Okay, now see the next one, the sixth one, that is x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. This we will solve in the same method. Okay, now just apply the formula. Okay, for solving this sum you you know the formula of a plus b the whole cube. Okay, then the here that is a cube, that is x cube, then 3 into a square, that is x square plus 1 upon x, plus 3 into x into 1 upon x the whole square, plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Okay, now just solve it. That is x cube, and now x square can be written as x into x, and this is 1 upon x. Then here we will write, and 3 into x, and 1 upon x the whole square is x square. Then here I can write it as, that is x into x. Okay, and 1 ka square is 1. Okay, if you will write 1 then it's okay, if you are not writing then also it is okay. Now 1 upon x the whole x cube is 1 upon x cube, because 1 cube is 1. Now you can see x and x will get cancelled. From here also x and x will get cancelled. Then what will remain here, that is x cube plus 3x plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. Okay, this is the solution for this x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Now in the similar way you solve this question number 7 and question number 8. Okay, now we will start the next practice set, that is based upon the formula, that is a minus b the whole cube. See here the formula, that is a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now here you can see the difference between this formula. See, here I am writing the formula so that you will compare both the formula. This is a minus b the whole cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. See, in both the formula the terms are same, but in minus formula, that is a minus b the whole cube formula, the second and fourth term are negative. See here, minus 3a square b and minus b cube. This is a difference between these two formula. Means if you know the one first formula, then you can write the second one, but in this the second and fourth term will be negative. Clear? Now we will solve the practice set. Okay, again before starting before you start this practice set, you write the formula. Okay, here the practice set 5.3, the first one, that is 2m minus 5 the whole cube. Okay, now our formula is a cube means 2m whole cube, 2m whole cube minus, the second term will be minus, then minus 3a square means 2m the whole square into b. Okay, that is 5. Clear? Now the plus, that is 3ab square. What is here a? That is 2m into b square is 5 square. Okay, then minus b cube, that is 5 cube. Now just solve it. That is 2 cube is 8 and m cube is m cube, and here 3 into 2m square is 4m square into 5 plus 3 2s are 6m into 5 square is 25 minus 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. Okay, the 5 cube is 125. Okay, now 8m cube minus, here 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60 m square plus 25 6 are 150 m minus 125. This is your answer. Okay, 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150m minus 125. Okay, now similarly solve the next one. Okay, this second and third one are your homework. Now see the fourth one. Fourth one is 58 the whole cube. 60 minus 2 the whole cube. Okay, now apply the formula, that is a minus b the whole cube. Then that is 60 cube minus 3 into a square, that is 60 square into b, that is 2, plus 3a square b, that is 60 into 2 square a 3ab square plus b cube, that is 2 cube. Now 6 cube, that is 6 ka cube is 216. That means 60 cube will be 2,16,000. And now here 3 2s are 6, and this 60 square means 6 square is 36, then 60 square is 3600, and here 3 6 are 18, that is 180 into 2 square is 4 plus 2 cube is 8. It will be the minus sign. Okay, the second and fourth term are negative. Now 2,16,000 minus 36 multiplied by 6 is 6 6 are 36, 20 will here, and 3 will carry here, that is 260. Okay, that is 21,600 plus 18 4s are 72, that is 720 minus 8. Now just solve it. Okay, that is 2,16,000 plus 720, or you can subtract. First you subtract. Okay, that is after, that is 200, and do it in a rough work. Make the rough column here. That is 2,16,000 minus 21,600. 0 0 4 4, and here 84, that is 194400, then plus 720, that is 195,120, then minus 8, that is equals to 195,112. Okay, means 1,95,112. Then here we will write 195,112 means 1,95,112. Okay, now similarly for 198 you will take 200 minus 2 and apply the formula. Now see the sixth one. That is 2p minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Okay, is equals 2p the whole cube minus 3a square b, means 2p square into 1 upon 2p. Okay, then plus 3ab square means into 2p into 1 upon 2p the whole square. Okay, and minus 1 upon 2p the whole cube. Now just solve it. That is 2p cube is 8p cube and 3 into 2p the whole square, we can write it as, that is 2p into 2p upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into 1 upon 2p the whole square can be written as 1 upon 2p into 2p minus 1 upon the 2p cube the whole cube is 8p cube. Okay, now this 2p and 2p will get cancelled and this 2p and 2p will get cancelled. Then what will remain here? That is 8p cube minus 3 2s are 6p plus 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. Okay, this is your answer for this solution. Okay, now similarly solve the remaining sums. Okay, and now see the simplify. Here you have to apply for a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube. Okay, now see here the second one, that is simplify. The first one, that is 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube. Then apply both the formula here. Then first we will apply for a minus b the whole cube. That is a cube, मतलब 2a cube 3 into a square b is 2a square b plus 3ab square means a 2a into b square plus b cube. Now see here, in between there is a minus sign, right? Then we will put minus. This we will keep in a square bracket, means a big bracket, and again we will put a big bracket and apply the formula for a minus b the whole cube. Then similarly we will write here the same thing, but we will put minus sign in the second and the fourth term, right? Then 2a cube minus 3 2a square b, and here not having the space, then I will write here, that is 3 2ab square minus b cube. Clear? Now we will solve the next term, that is 2a cube is 8a cube 3b into 2a square is 4a square plus 3 2s are 6 is b square plus b cube. Again we will put in a square bracket and first solve this, then we will open the bracket. That is the same thing will come, that is 8a cube but with second and fourth term minus sign, that is 3 b into 4a square plus 3 2s are 6 ab square minus b cube. Now see here, there is a minus sign, okay, means outside the bracket. Then the sign of the second bracket will change, means plus will become minus and minus will become plus, okay, and first bracket will remain the same, that is 8a cube, 3 4s are 12 a square b plus 6ab square plus b cube. Now here the sign will change, that is 8 minus 8a cube, plus minus will become minus, here minus minus will become plus, that is 12 a square b, and here this will become minus, that is 6ab square, and this will become plus. Now here you can see, that is 8a cube and minus 8a cube will get cancelled, and 6a square b and minus 6a square b will get cancelled, and what will remain here, that is 12a square b and 12a square b will come, that is okay. Now 12 plus 12 will become 24 a square b, and b cube plus b cube will become 2b cube. Okay, now we will solve the next sum, that is 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k plus whole cube. Okay, now this is the question. Similarly we will solve, we will apply both formula, that is a minus b the whole cube and a plus b the whole cube. Here the difference between these two is, in between these two there is a minus sign, here it is a plus sign. Okay, plus signs means here no sign will change in the next time. Okay, see here, that is a minus b the whole cube is 3r cube plus 3 a square b, means 3r square into 2k plus, sorry, here it is a minus, a minus b the whole cube, then we will put minus sign here, then 3 into ab square, means 3r into 2k square minus 2k the whole cube. Okay, this we will put in a square bracket. After that put plus sign and solve the next one, that is a 3r plus 2k the whole cube. Here the same will remain but with positive plus sign. Okay, then 3r the whole cube plus 3 into 3r the square 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square plus 2k cube, 2k the whole cube. Now we will solve it. That is 3r cube is 3 3s are 9, that is 27 r cube minus 3 square is 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 2 is 54 r square k plus 3 3s are 9, and here 4, 2 square is 4, so 9 4s are 36 r k square minus 2 k cube is 8 k cube. Then put plus sign and write the remaining one, that is 27 r cube plus 54 r square k plus 36 r k square plus 8 k cube. Okay, now in this what we will do, just the terms we will the terms that will cancel, we will cancel it. Okay, means here the minus 54k rk square and plus 54 rk square will get cancelled, and minus 8a cube and plus 8a cube will get cancelled, and 27 plus 27 will come 54. 54 r cube plus 36 plus 36 is 72 r k square. Okay, then this is the answer solution for this question. Now the remaining two are your homework, that is third and fourth one. Okay, with this our practice set 5.3 is over. If you are having any doubt, then ask me on the group, WhatsApp group. In next video we will start the practice set 5.4. हो गया.